sense to tell what I know. A rich king, valiant, gay, who maintains true worth always. For all he says and does are courtesy and sense. Let no base, no wicked man set himself in his pace, for he wants him not in his face, but is weary of the sight of him, and makes it plain to see by the blow he takes from me. For the other day, before my eyes, he picked out more than 100 in their guise out there in the open square, and put them in the dung heap there. The dung heap and the filth and the serpent that stands fierce have had enough, and well, so the king has wished to set all his striving and his care on a rich ointment rare, with which the wicked beggars shall be anointed, and the grieving too, if you stay gentle and fair. I'll tell you the ointment share. Of mist and wind is all the most in the great of pot. Feel playing and lazy has put in merry days, and cries of beetles' ways and mockeries of roys. Trick and hammer and snare, and the anvil's ringing blare, and rennet of calf rare, and the sense of a mad woman wild, wind and risen breeze so mild, and the song of the hoopoe reviled, and the color of wine so red in rumor of here, it's said and ill speaking of neighbor widespread. And he has put in, as I know, the juice of 8 hard cobblestones as flow, twisted and crooked folk in a row, with loving false words for show, and the refrain of the riverbank street, and the song of the shepherdess indeed, and cheating at the fair at need, and the plate of ice so cold that is made in the furnace bold, and the trot of the weary pilgrim mold, and the 3 in the double lace as told, and the going of the evening breeze, and the baying of the hunting hounds please, and the pain of a bruise with ease, and the blow on the spine that does not please, and the stench of the kitchen's air, and the ache of the backbone's care, and the filth of the hen's own lair. Do not speak of medicines fair, but that the ointment is there. The vessel where it stands, I do not hold it for a common flask, for in the world there is no city that could tell the how of it unless one told them the ditty. The vessel is of fine gold, jacinths and rubies bright, sapphires and garnets in the light are encrusted there, so tight that they cast so great a light. Of a green jasper dotted and fine is made the cover and its shrine, and above it a pommel for a sign of a new carbuncle, that no man in his time ever saw one so fair, nor of such worth anywhere. Round the cover's rim are the 7 arts of love, not dim, on the true lovers to the brim. Pyramus and Nisbe, Phyllis and Clarias you see, and of others a good plenty. And he has put in what is more, Blanchefleur and Floris as of yore, and Tristan who never laughed before, loved Iseult the blonde and more. Around the outer rim and the round he has put the sea profound, and the leap of merry thunders bound, in the host of Archomalech renowned. The Docians and the Greeks that are made at Malbec's peaks, beyond Armenia's mountain creeks, and the Sultan of Turkey's hand sent it the other day as a gift so grand. Here to the French as a present stand, according to my knowledge it's worth 200 weight of silver on earth, or I am utterly failed in its dearth. The ointment is complete and kneaded and pounded and neat, and whoever is well endowed and sweet and frank and amorous, let him draw near to us toward the precious ointment thus, for it is so fair and good that he shall be all healed for good at once. once by hand and by hand. And whoever has shame, let him stand.